thinks he's so great with his solar power and all that free electricity. Just act cool, man. Act cool. I'm burning up. I could really use a cold beer. Fine, I'll have a drink from Mr. Perfect. Everybody loves Mr. Solar and his icy cold drinks. How did he afford those expensive solar panels anyway? So you're telling me you didn't pay a dime for your solar panels thanks to clean energy research? Jeez, I gotta go. But first there's something I need to do. That hits the spot. A little more. Oh, I feel better already. Alright, I need to make a call. It's time for me to let clean energy research get me into some solar.